Suggestion is the following, Gaurav, that the money should be taken away not today but with retrospective effect. Because if somebody doesn't pay tax, then it goes back with retrospective effect.
Absolutely.
Right? So, there are some people who are making money, some people thought they will make money, and there are some people, Shabnam, don't listen to this, it will be a matter of great interest to you. There are some people who are living off made money.
Yes.
Now, I suggest that we go back into the past, Gaurav, and we go back into seeing who has made money when, who has inherited stolen money. If any source of money has been there in the past which has been paid, right, in the past, go back into history and take back the money, carry out the raids and take back the money. I would say ransack these people, take away the properties, seize the banks, take away the houses, leave them bankrupt, leave them on the streets, leave them with nowhere to go, let them scream and shout, let them say our human rights are being taken away, deny them anything, take away their passports, create an Indian version of a Guantanamo Bay and put them there. That's the only treatment that these people now deserve. And I'm so happy today at what has happened. Do you believe that retrospective action of this kind should happen? I'm sure Shabnam Lone will agree with it, but I'd like your view first. Please, Gaurav, and then Shabnam. Yeah.
No, absolutely, Arnab. Absolutely, I'm with you on this.
Yeah.
Retrospective. ये सब चोरी का माल है जो इन लोगों ने दबा के रखा है.
बहुत चोरी की.
I want to ask one question. I want to ask one simple question.
Yeah.
Half of the time Kashmir is under band, under lockdown.
Yeah.
Half of the time they are stone pelting.
Yeah.
फिर भी कोई malnutrition का केस नहीं है. फिर भी कोई farmer suicide नहीं है.
नहीं.
सबके गाल ऐसे लाल लाल गुलाबी हो रखे हैं वहां पे. I want to understand where is this money coming from? You see, if half of the time your business is shut down, your markets are closed, there is terrorist activity, why is everybody looking so healthy? Where is this money coming from? ये खाते कैसा हैं? ये पत्थर फेंकने के लिए भी ताकत चाहिए. You need money, you need food to get that energy to throw the rocks, to throw the stones at the resources. Where does
how
the money
do
come
the kids
from?
go out to study?
Who's funding them?
What is this argument?
It's a very rational argument, because what happens is that Gilani
Major Gaurav Arya, what is this argument?
The argument is
because Kashmiris are naturally good-looking people.
No, there's a metaphoric.
No,
he said it in a metaphorical way.
Ma'am,
You don't understand the depth of his argument.
No, you can't say.
He spoke about it in a metaphorical way. I think you found it difficult to understand. Yeah.
Hyderabad, Telangana में farmer suicides होते हैं, महाराष्ट्र में farmer suicides होते हैं, मैम. Because the market is not good. Crops खराब हो जाते हैं. कश्मीर में 50% of the time crops खराब होते हैं, कोई मार्केट नहीं है, धंधा बंद है.
Kashmiris know how to survive. No, Kashmiris survival, their strength and spirit throughout.
Okay, Shabnam, let me add another question.
Drama mat kijiye.
No, let me add another question to Shabnam. How do their kids study outside? How do their kids study outside? In USA, UK, wherever they go, who pays for it?
Moods.
अच्छा